Hey, good morning. All right, it's 10 to 6. High tide's at 6:30. We're at Apponaug Cove, which is just across the bay a bit from my normal fishing spot at Buttonwoods. It's a little too early for me to be flippant and funny, so we're gonna lay some baits out there. We got some pogies, menhaden or bunker, one fish or three names. Hopefully he'll catch us a fish today. This is walking on the shore, baby. See you guys in a bit. Oh, it's just too early. Oh yeah.
It's true that I love you and I hope you love me too. Together we can walk along the shore. Together we can stand against the wind and blowing sand. Together as we walk along the shore.
Whoa.
Together as we walk along the shore. Just down the highway from Asbury Park lies the answer to wanderlust, where fires burn into midnight today, fortunes into dust. Stay too long and forget why you came. It's that old
Any aliens today? Hey,
Hey, what are you doing?
I'm still here. What time is it?
It is 7:35.
Yeah, I'm gonna be like one more hour. It's tide's an hour down. One more hour would be 2 hours down. So, up, it's going.
Okay, bye.
Bye. So like I said, we have circle hooks on. So you gotta let the fish eat the bait. You can't just like jerk it. So it's gotta eat the bait. That's why I'm got my finger like this. If they take it, I'll just let them take line out, click in gear, then you just start winding. The circle hook should do its magic. Should do its magic. No. That was such a good fish. That was a solid fish. It was like the minute I said, take a breath, you got a solid hook up, fight the fish, it like the line just went limp. Also, I don't know if you guys caught it because the GoPro cut out right when I was reeling in the line. But there was a big clump of weed on the hook. So all I can think of is that like he grabbed the bait and there was weed on it. And then when I set the hook got to the corner of the mouth and the weed stopped it from getting a solid hook up. And he spit the hook. I'm gutted. Seriously gutted. It's hot. Oh, I smell like fish.